Hey, what's going on, guys? Clear here. Today I'm doing a product review on the Eagletec mechanical gaming keyboard, the RGB variant of it, because that's what I have right now. I'm going to try to show you it. So this is the keyboard right here. I honestly like it. I've been using it for like three years. I'd say 3 years actually, and I love it. I think I'm upgrading it because it was only, well, when I bought it, it was like 35. It went up like a couple dollars, but it's just a couple dollars. But one thing I like about it is with the features of it. It has off-brand blue Otamu, I think. It says blue switches cherry equivalent compact, but I think it's the Otamu variant. I have it pulled up right here. I'll have it probably like right here ish. Somewhere, I think in this corner, I'll have it kind of showing what it is. Hey, what's going on, guys? Clear here. Today I'm doing a product review on the Eagletec mechanical gaming keyboard, the RGB variant of it, because that's what I have right now. I'm going to try to show you it. So this is the keyboard right here. I honestly like it. I've been using it for like three years. I'd say 3 years actually, and I love it. I think I'm upgrading it because it was only, well, when I bought it, it was like 35. It went up like a couple dollars, but it's just a couple dollars. But one thing I like about it is with the features of it. It has off-brand blue Otamu, I think. It says blue switches cherry equivalent compact, but I think it's the Otamu variant. I have it pulled up right here. I'll have it probably like right here ish. Somewhere, I think in this corner, I'll have it kind of showing what it is. Yeah, I couldn't get the screenshot of my video. Sorry, guys. Ignore everything I said about putting it in the video. I got it on off Amazon, and it probably came in like a week and a half. That's buying with just standard shipping. And I have the breathing option on for it, where it breathes or transitions to the colors. But I can't remember how to do that and haven't changed the color. Okay. So one thing I do like, it has, here, I'm just gonna set it down. If I do FN1, it just highlights gaming ones, WASD and that. If I go F2, it has just the 3 function keys done. If I go 3, it has like a MOBA kind of thing going on. Or, I think Counter-Strike actually, yeah. If I go 4, yeah, this is a mobile one right here, 4. So it has like the standard keys you use for like right there, and it has all the stuff. And 5 is the last one. I think this is just the normal, FPS, that kind of thing. So yeah. So that's the modes right there. I believe if I don't remember how to do any of this great. Oh no, here it is. Okay, I found it again. So if I was to do FN and the insert key, that's when I get the different options to change from different stuff. So the option I had was it just faded out the colors. This is like when you press it, it goes to the color. Pressed my I pressed the spacebar on there to stop recording, but it has my where you press random keys and it just stays. The next option is kind of like that. It has like each row has a different color. Next option goes down the line of these colors, and again you can change colors no matter whatever you want. Next one is when you press it, just like a wave kind of feature. Next one, it's like the same wave but it stays. Then rainbow feature, what everybody likes. Go it again, just to still. The next one's breathing, and you're back to the 1 keys, back to what I have. So that's basically what it is, and I'll do a test for you for like typing rise. So yeah, I'm gonna do that in a separate recording so I can just kind of get all set up with my mic right here. finally, the last feature I really like about this are the feet. I'm not having like so I'm gonna use my phone for now until I can get a camera for it. This is the S9 Plus. I'll be doing a video about this in a couple days before the S10 comes out. So one thing, the feet on this are really thick rubber pads, so it doesn't slide that easily on your desk if I don't have cords under it. So like if you're like sitting your desk doing stuff like that, it's gonna move up and down, but it's not gonna like. Mine are kind of worn out, but yeah. And also it's water resistant because it has the drain holes in the bottom, so that's good. I've never tested it because I don't want it to go wrong and me not have a keyboard. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope we see you guys later. See ya.